Sinisikap pa rin ng dalawang kapulungan ng Kongreso na tiyaking magiging maayos at malinis ang 2013 midterm elections. Ang ulat mula kay Bianca Piedad.
Itinuloy muli ng Joint Congressional Oversight Committee ang pagtalakay sa ginagawang preparasyon ng Commission on Elections para sa 2013 midterm elections. Layunin na nasabing komite na plansyahin pa ang mga kinakailangan ng COMELEC para sa malinis at maayos na halalan 6 na buwan mula ngayon. Inihayag naman ni COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes na handa ang komisyon para sa halalan.
Let us not make some statement of limitations that's because it's directing because this has already been sustained twice with the Supreme Court in 2010 and recently. And the same people have been questioning all of this in the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court said all the contracts are entered into are illegal.
Bahagya naman nagkasagutan ng opisyal ng Smartmatic na siyang contractor ng gagamiting Precinct Count Optical Scan o PCOS machines at ang opisyal ng CENTEG o Center for People Empowerment in Governance.
Sometimes I get amazed how many times the same issues are being brought up in spite of the many explanations that are being given to some of these issues.
The case against of Smartmatic against Dominion just validates what we have been saying all along.
Samantala, ayon kay Senador Alan Peter Cayetano na chairman ng Joint Congressional Oversight Committee, ginagawa nila ang pag-uusap na ito upang magtiwala muli ang publiko na magiging reliable at efficient ang susunod na halalan.
The committee, I'm talking to the House panel, the good chairman, if we can set up that committee, some sort of joint effort with the other watchdog of really having people at the municipal, well, I think the city and provincial level is doable. So that as the three servers come in, we can also check the numbers.
Kaugnay nito, hinikayat ng Senate Electoral Reforms Committee Chair Senator Coco Pimentel na gawin ng COMELEC ang lahat upang magkaroon ng patas na kampanya gamit ang paid political ads sa radyo at telebisyon. Hiniling din ni Pimentel na gumawa ang COMELEC na rekomendasyon tungkol sa dalawang kritikal na probisyon ng Republic Act 9006 o ang Fair Election Practices Act na nagtatakda kung ilang minuto lang dapat tumagal ang campaign ads sa radyo at telebisyon ng mga kandidato sa national at local level. Nakatakda naman gawin ang huling pagdinig ng Oversight Committee kaugnay pa rin ng eleksyon sa susunod na linggo. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Bianca Piedad.